Alright guys, this is Bill here from Shadow Z, and I'll be showing you guys how to set up a WarZ server. I'm releasing my sources as Shadow Z is done with. I'm releasing the source. That's not a promise though, since it could go on forever. Yeah. So first off, what you want to do, I'm just going to quickly minimize this and move it over here. This is a VPS, so this is a Deddy, so what you want to do is you want to go into, I think you want to download the new, sorry if you could hear that in the background, but you want to go into your infestation tutorials on Raid Zone and get how to set up an infestation MMO server. And what you want to do is you want to download Visual Studio Professional 2008, the SP1 of Visual Studio 2008 Professional Edition, an SQL server if you're hosting it on your computer, and an SQL server 2008 if you if you're hosting a computer, download the same computer. If you're not, then oh fuck it, I guess SQL server 2008 SP3, and that's about it. Click this link to download right here. This link will be in the description below. And alright, so now we'll go back over here and follow my exact moves. What you want to do is you want to extract that, and you want to go into WarZ, SRC. There should be two folders, SRC and bin. You want to go into SRC, and you want to extract them different times. Like SRC will be extracted as an SRC folder. You don't combine the two folders at all. You just combine them in a folder in a ladder like WarZ, then bin, and then underneath bin will be SRC, but then that's it. So you want to go with Clip Studio. Just, fuck, what I go up to sources. Go up, you go with Clip Studio. I want to open up WarZ, and what you want to do is you want to, alright, first of all, you want to search up your G API IP. I did the API thing wrong, so G, and you see G API IP right here. We're gonna just always search up for current project, not all. G API IP. I'm using the DNC plus Ikatsu's Invasion MMO. I coded some of it myself too. You want to search up GAPI IP. If it's not iCasters, then you just keep on searching it and you replace a local host with the GAPI with your external IP. If you're just using this as a test, and then leave it as a local host and your server IP as well. Change it from local host to something else. What you want to do now is you want to go open up an API server. For first of all, you want to go and go into your control panel right here. Control panel. Oh my god. What was this again? Damn. God. I think over here. I don't know. It's like, what's the necessary tools? There's necessary tools. I think it was. I don't know. I forget, but like, damn, I forget. Oh, that's like wrong of me. Why would I put up a tutorial but I don't know where to go? Oh my god. Oh, he doesn't know where he's gonna go. Oh, it's so bad. Oh god, no. 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 Oh god. I just gotta search for it, I guess. Hogwarts down. I think it's like, I think it's programs and essentials. Oh, here it is. Turn Windows features off and on. So now what you want to do is you want to wait until it says please wait. Remember, this is just for testing only. If you have a dedicated server or VPS that is actually capable of hosting, like, say from hours where we have like system security, VRAM and processor speed, we're gonna get some more after this. But we have 32. It says 16 because 16 is the max. Um, we have high download speed and upload speed, like 500 megabits. So if you and do have a lot more than that. So I just wanted to check if this is done. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to just have TeamSpeak over for some reason.
Microphone muted.
Microphone muted.
Sound muted.
Yeah, there you go. Want to go into your Microsoft. You want to go into Internet Information Services. Don't want to do that. I want to highlight that, and you just want to go Web Management Tools and World Wide Web Services. And there you go. That's it for your um, IIS battery side. Put that up, and you should have this window right here. So what you want to do is you want to go into your now what you want to do is you want to set up your MySQL server, and the programs you downloaded in the description would help you. You want to turn on your SQL server and you want to set a password for it. Now this could be any password, and you have to, if you're hosting this on your computer, which I highly don't recommend, but still, whatever. If you have a good upload speed and you have patience and stuff like that, then you go into your and you set up your SQL server. So when you're done that, you want to go into connection strings, and you want to go over here into your. Don't worry, you guys can't hack me because technically I do not have any of the default users on me. So yeah, I changed everything. Might be like WarZ. I'm just saying the password, WarZ. No, I'm joking. It's like fucking some wrong ass word. It's like I have a program to randomly generate a password. A long ass one. So anyways, you want to go connection string and just fall right there. Once you've done that, you want to go into directory browsing, enable that to true. And I'm not even looking at tutorials, so I know my stuff. Now, here comes the hard part. Is to install the PHP, and right now I just want to click on what platform manage installer. Wait until it loads up. And you want to go into products, and it should say, oh, I didn't want to install IIS 7.5 Express, but we probably have like, you need to install ASP.NET for WebTools 2013. What you, I already have Windows PowerShell. Here it is. We have Web Developers 2 2012. After that came up with, we're just looking for the PHP. Here it is right here. It was up there somewhere. Right here. We need PHP, but we have like low ass PHP. PHP manager for IIS. That's good. CD PHP manager PHP 5.3. Once you install that, you're done with the IIS thing first of all. But now what you want to do is, I do probably have it open. We want to go into your WarZ backend. This is for you just want to open up your, go into your I was just like, you want to do WarZ first folder, and see how I set up my WarZ folder. You want to go into your src. It should be in scripts. If it's not, then check the bin server scripts, and it should be there. I'm gonna go open up this, and I already have it open. And what you want to do is you want to compile this. First of all, you want to edit this, and it should see a password, but I have a lot of important info though. But Alright, so I should see like DB username and password, and then you have like your DB info and Black Ops, DB info, DB info, and your username and password, and your like IP and shit like that. So it will work. Mine though, just do mine with the web and DB info. I don't use like the SQL base for. See, that comes with like the Invasion MMO, right? Oh, I'm really tired right now. Oh god. Anyways, right now, so you're done with that. That's it. That's all you need. There's a lot of bugs though. I'm not going to show you all of them. So now what you want to do is you want to build this and move it over, and ever since you install IIS, I'll show you guys a folder, a magical folder called initpub, which is probably default located on your C drive, and so right here, initpub, www, and you want to make two folders, WZ and WarZ. You want to get that API server info from somewhere, but I'll leave you guys a link for that. You want to go into make a folder called WZ, go in that folder, make a folder called updater, and what you want to do is you want to go into WarZ, make a folder called API, and put your web thing in there. And yeah. So now what you want to do is you want to go back into your IIS manager, and as soon as you publish this into here, and I'll show you guys how to publish this. I'm gonna go over to you go build, you go publish website, and you go select your API folder. And why did I press help? It won't even come up anyway, so just sit there for like a couple minutes to be like, hey, you, right there. So now what you want to do is cancel. Now what you want to do is the best part, is making the server itself, and right now all I want to do is, it should come with the build, but for me, like, I have like zero tolerance for like neatness and stuff like that, so anyways, I have zero like tolerance for like shit. So what you want to do is that you want to build your. I think there should be a servers already in there. So all you gotta do is just open your local disk, WarZ bin, and it should be there. There's nothing to it, just master server, stupid stuff, supervisor server and server. Oh, and one more thing. Oh god, I forgot. This is the most important part. Build your Encrypt Studio, and yeah, with all that stuff, and you can probably run it if you can. You need the DNC updates though, but if you have the evasion MMO, like I combined both of them at like, I use like some of the evasion MMO files with my DNC, the community release that DNC released. And it's iCatsu's work with DNC. I told them before, if you guys work together, it might make a boss server, and I just did. In a couple of days, I made like a lot of stuff that goes on here. I made a boss server. So yeah. 11 o'clock and I'm just tired. Jesus Christ. Anyways, yeah, so when you compile that, you do have a studio. And of course, you can't run it on your VPS or dedicated server since you don't have a video file, so, we'll leave it as that. Right, oh, of course, you gotta, like, run your launcher, right? You can run studio, though, too, so, We're just gonna run studio. I'm not gonna run through on here though, because I can't. It would just say like some stupid ass error. What you want to do now is you want to go build up your RS build if you don't already have it in there. If you don't, then your RS build will be the thing to install updates on. So first of all, you want to go into your RS update. This is just a launcher, and you want to open up these three files: WoW backend API, update your config. This is the CPP file, and this is the CPP file, and these will help you update your game. And right here too, I think. Right here, and right here, and right here. Right here. Maybe, and of course right here. And right here. Maybe. I don't know, I haven't switched it up because I cannot open anymore because I'm tired, and you know. But we want to just build RS build. There's no changes in it whatsoever. Nothing at all. It's just plain on simple. Once you've done building it, you should have it in your bin folder. You're just going to build, RS build, and it should say incremental updates. You delete all that below if you want to install updates seamlessly. So, and I should be fucking almost done. Right now, once you're done using your RS build to update, you come over here, you press create launcher, and it should give you WarZ launcher, and it should be give you WarZ launcher underscore 0.9.3.exe, and it should give you a new whoop-d. I call it whoop-d because it sounds pretty cool. And once you're done with your updates, you'll come right here. Oh, it's like 2 gigs right now, I think. I'm psychic right now. Yeah, because my math is like pretty terrible. Oh, I'm not. What? How is this? Apparently it's not. Oh no, because I thought it was like 600. So I was like rushing things a little bit. Anyways, now what you're going to do is, I don't know. I guess figure stuff out on your own. Like that's all I can show you guys right now. That's it. That's all I can show you guys right now is all that. I can't show you guys how to do stuff is because I don't have a VPS. And yeah. And maybe I should show you guys how to bind your programs together. So download a program called Mobox. I'll put a description link. I'll put a link in the description below. And what you want to do is just open up Mobox. You should just go browse for file, browse for executable, and pack to, just browse for the folder that you want to pack to, and you just go default package executable. You go add file, and then launcher config, and then there, or you have like the game ini and local ini. Don't use local ini, and you're done. And this is like takes away the hackers and stuff like that sometimes. And you could even highlight the process in here too of like the shadowz.exe. Yeah. Here, folks. One more thing. Disable your antivirus if you do have Avast. Disable script shield, script shield, web shield, and file system shield, and you're done. Behavior shield. I've never shield. It's file system shield, web shield. That's it. So if you have Avast, it'll probably pick up your launchers as a virus if you do have the Invasion MMO stuff in there. Probably is. Who knows who that has to? AKIZ. Like that's his. I'm sorry to say, folks, but you look in his files. It says IZ in there. He's IZ. He's the hacker. He's IZ. He's IZ. all you read your own kiddies out there, yeah, he's Ized. There's no doubt about it. So right now, yeah. Woo, that's cool. So yeah, let's see you guys later.